There was a massive rain yesterday, and look what a mess it caused to my garden. All the topsoil flushed away. And also I noticed there was a leveling issue in my garden as well. So you may notice that so this side of the garden is actually higher, and this side is lower. Draining pipe over here, so the water will running through this pipe to the higher ground, and eventually it will stored in the lower ground. Look at here, it's literally turning into a swamp. Look, those seeds, they are literally soaked in the swamp. So my bet is those seeds are already dead. So yeah, my new idea about the garden renovation is I wanted to dig up a trench around the edge, and I will put some gravel on the surface. And when the rainwater gets to the corner, it will sink through the gravel and penetrate into the deeper ground without creating a swamp in the corner. Jesus. This is about 2 weeks of cardio. So, as we dig up this trench, we decided to change it for plan. So we're gonna dig a really deep trench here, and we're gonna use those soil to level up that edge and that edge. When the water comes down, it will all flows down to this trench. I'm rather happy about how this fence turned out.